Stuck invoicing in a foreign currency because Zoho Books only shows your default one? Learn how to add any new currency in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the currency settings, then how to select and customize your new currency. Let's dive in. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, from the Settings menu, select Currencies. Click on the New Currency button to add a new one. Then, click on Select to open the list of available currencies. For example, select BBD from the list. Next, type the currency symbol you want to use, for example, $. Finally, click Save to add the currency. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.